Section 13-5, Part 2, finding surface area of spheres given circumference. To the nearest square foot, what is the surface area of the giant cheese ball? Use 3.14 for pi. So here we have a giant cheese ball. Our surface area formula is 4 pi r squared. So we're supposed to determine what is the surface area of this giant cheese ball. Well, in the surface area formula, we have 4 times pi is 3.14 times r. Well, we have not been given r in this problem. We have been given the circumference. Circumference, you see all the way around, the circumference is 125.6. So let's use the circumference formula of a circle. The circumference formula of a circle is C equals pi d or C equals 2 pi r. Well, we are needing r, so we will use the formula that has r in it for circumference. So the formula that we will be using to find the radius is the circumference formula. Excuse me. Circumference of a circle formula. Circumference equals to 2 pi r. Okay? 2 pi r. Well, we've been given circumference. That's what this is. The numerical value that we've been given is 125.6. Okay? So I'll replace C in my formula with 125.6 equals to 2 times pi is 3.14, and we're solving for r. So we're solving for r, therefore I had the circumference, so I used the circumference formula, plugged in everything I had, and now the only variable I have left is r, therefore I can determine what is my radius. So let's multiply first. I have 2 times 3.14 gives you 6.28 times r on the right-hand side. To solve for r, let's divide both sides by 6.28. Dividing both sides by 6.28, 125.6 divided by 6.28, you end up with 20. Therefore, r equals to 20. We had to determine the radius in order for us to find the surface area. Okay? So now, since we know that r equals to 20, I will take the surface area formula and determine the surface area of this giant cheese ball. Okay? So surface area is equal to 4 times pi, 3.14, times my radius, 20 squared. So I have to square 20 first, so this is 4.4 times 3.14 times 20 squared. 20 times 20 is 400. Now we will multiply all three of these numbers together. 4, let's start with 4 times 3.14 times 400. Multiplying them all together, I get 5,024. So the surface area of this giant cheese ball is about 5,024 feet squared. 5,024 feet squared. In this problem, we were not given the radius, but we were given the circumference. So we had to first use the circumference formula to find the radius. Then after we determined the radius was 20, we plugged it into the surface area formula for a sphere.